Hello, happy St. Patrick's Day to you. It's Hayley with the Armageddon Report. I have changed the clock, not to Irish Gaelic, but to Scots Gaelic. And why? Because Irish Gaelic was not an option. So began as dead on our dog. Right, is whatever that says. I don't read Scots Gaelic. Anyway, so earthquakes. California, unsurprisingly, takes the title of most recent earthquake. Carlsberg Ridge, 5.2. They were the strongest earthquake of the past 24 hours. So it's out here. I don't really know where that is. Carlsberg Ridge, though, apparently. And nobody, either no one felt it, or no one reported it anyway to the USGS. Right, here is today's severe weather outlook areas. So we've got a slight risk here, but we've actually got, I'll show you, but there's a hail thing up there, and hail thing there, and wind as well. Anyway, let's just look at the images. It's easier than trying to point it out and describe it. So this is the wind map. So in addition to where the core of the severe weather threat would be based on it having the 15% area, there's also 5% risk on the coast. And then with the severe hail, we've got that 5% on the coast again, and then a 5% up there in Wisconsin. Isn't it Wisconsin? Let's make sure. Yes, I need to brush up on me US geography or something. I don't know. Right, tomorrow, where it's not St. Patrick's Day or something, it's Sunday. Bloody Sunday. Anywho, here is a huge area. Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota. All of those states are affected, and not only that, well, and a whole bunch more are affected with a 5% area, but there's a chance of significant severe weather in the black hatched area. And I believe last time I read it, it had not mentioned tornadoes, just mentioning like severe hail and locally damaging winds or whatever they said. Day 3, similar story, huge area covering many states, and then also the significant severe weather. And I think it was the same story with that as well. Tornadoes hadn't been mentioned yet. And I shouldn't say yet. Tornadoes had not been mentioned. Doesn't mean tornadoes will be mentioned. Right. Yet implies that they will be mentioned. Anyway. So, huge area on Monday. So go back to work and have, hail all over your car. I don't know how that's going to work. So anyway, you should pay attention. Anyway. That's my favourite word to say. And enjoy all your St. Patrick's festivities and all the drinking, whether you're Irish or not.